Okay, here is a quick tutorial on how to route your twine on a Massey Ferguson number 12 square baler. The twine goes in here, up over the guides here, through the holes behind the little tension plate, through your springs, and down through that, and then goes through that other insulator, comes through the bottom side, up to the other insulators, up through the floor. Make sure it's routed through these little arms here on both sides. Then it comes up through the top into the knot tires, and then you are ready to bale.